Oh, nothing to make you question your life choices like putting your hand in a random box. Let's go.
That was me.
I don't even know. I don't know. I'm not good with that. I don't even know. Is it alive?
Beck, this is not how you build trust.
Is it moving around? Is it just me?
Something is scurrying.
Yeah, that's what I don't like.
Oh, he's moving on his own! No!
If y'all are lying,
Oh, that's wet. Is it wet or cold?
nope. No. I'm gonna say bad words.
What was that? Is that you moving or is that it moving?
Ah, okay. All right. Well, actually, I eat this. All right.
Yeah.
It's the fact that it's alive.
And moving, and y'all all lied because it was moving.
Ooh.
Poor, it's really pretty.
Oh.
Is that crawfish in there?
That's not crawfish, that's a crab.
That's a crab?
Mr. Krabs.
Oh, I thought it was a turtle.
Aw.
I'm let down. I thought it was a turtle.
Grab him, like this.
You can grab it from the back.
I'm gonna die. Down.
He looks like he's gonna fist fight.
Did you have it?
He looks like Creed right here.
See, cheese. We did it, yay. We need a trophy now, and hand sanitizer.